mwanchumuri keribono na gukwanira ndonse asobereta se marogoba yabono chinga kichene gukwarigania semesa ya mangana Amayia nyara gukumanya gatere twaberete gukwariganira kurwa semambia yarenge ntambe gweka Chinsa chigabono chiabono marogoba karachara gire Chinsa Isato chiabono botuko Afrika ya mochana manga bereka okorekana no kwegana kwanda buna litukoliya hone ligi yali yarenge andonse asoberete ngane tibono nyare ko ya sansamurana asobo ikirano na kumanya buna balike baito babere bako yasangaria kuro chinkongo chonsi imena isiko yorogongo rwa Gusii bono asensemeli yabo basiri tukoliya lero nigobono maiga yogo choro ko governor we county ya Kisii Paul Simbarati nigabaga kwariganirwa asenkayan welcoming yakolekane me yabo basi gekolengani kubunere ga kurwa sensemeli yabo basi ayungati yali ngo chukumanya semargoba yabono orito kubwatera nero goetera sumuna bwimanyerero higakoro kwa Joshua auta litanganike gima tonyara mangana yo senchera yoko ya chuta.
These schools closed down and learners moved to other schools.
Chiskure meronge tano na ibere nchikoreti ya matemo aba grade tano na mogose kepseana sekigo sento komanye.
Tulichagua MCS ambao tulikuwa tunawajua vizuri, tukawatuma huku, lakini mama hataki kufanya kazi na wao.
Nigo twakoreta mamochoko mochoro mugavana otamanyetie mere bamenya manaba MCS kurwa se county ya Meru batebiroga kawira mwangaza agendeka.
Nilisoma nikaachia class 7. Ile nilikuja jela nikaona ni vyema niendelee na shule juu nilipata shule iko bure jela nikaingia.
Aborokio babere kurwa se county ya Nyamira gukora matemu kibare nyagetari maiga yoko gonki aboiga basi bakora Kisii prison baisaransera matemu batebere mbachigo saseria. Asa yamonenda manga bono mwancho murigeri tukerigari ya Jumatatu tariki ya 24 Isato tigankomanye literane nchenkoro kwa Vincent Onyancha. Igotoko chaka asa matemwa alia bakago chaka litukoliya lera matemwa grade sana ne mokepsia na boigobono alia krasana Isato KCPE ayo bakago chaka wendi tukoliya lera na liga matemwa yora baga kwa litukole Jumatatu litukole Jumatano tariki emeronge tato omwaziri bwesemi Ezekiel Machogu ase county ya Mombasa ni gabaga korotota omurobiriyo yo obakago chaka chinga kiechio imeje county ya Kisii omo county commissioner Alani sharia ni gane rabaga korototo umuyego yo asoko igoro kwa matemwa litukoliya lero boigo nabasibwa korwa asechera area ya Kisii prison sawo baisaransra boiga matemwa bo nigo bateba mbali no kwegena mbachigo eta amatemwa yo roboti rwa senchira yo boikirano no mulike itobene Josephat Amisi.
Amatemu amanene a KCPE ayu aliye klasi kia katao na gatatu na baigo aya grade 6 kepsea nigacha kabene ime ya ense ya Kenya. Kohena na amasakara ayo ya matemu anene kuchechi skuru ime ye county ya Kisii. Omo county commissioner Alan Masharia nigaba enekeirie buna serikali ye county ya Kisii. Nechikoenekea buna amatemu ya kolirwe senchirebo ikiranu igomba chikoenekea buna oborendi bwanyale kobo koenanwa ilio amatemu ayo agendere ase enchira yobotoereru.
Today we are dispatching the KCSE at grade 8 assessment papers to the centers. I want to start saying that we have close to 38,000 grade 6 assessment centers and 40,000 KCPE centers and 34,000 KCSE centers across the county. The KCSE kicked off technically last week. It has been going on and it will go, it is still going, but for KCP and grade 6 assessment, we are starting today.
Mashare boigo rigatebire nigo abarendi anena abanyanyimbo bayinekiringa abanyale ko bago ikirana sechi center chamatemwa yo eliokoleto botoereru na boigo omorembe uri bwekerengo keisaine boigo
I also wish to assure that we have made adequate security arrangements. All centers are adequately covered, and we are pairing every center manager with a security officer.
Asomo yego iyo umu county director bw'ekisemi Pius Ngoma nigatebire buna mbachikoenekia amatemwa yo akorekanire ase enchira yobotoerero.
All the system as the chairman has said, the security is in place, and all our centers have our center managers are with us and security, and we hope exams will be done without any details.
Gatia bali banyarako bagwikira na somo sangerekano yo no musbat ane washira oyibo igo oenekire buna aborokia banyareko babagotuma gocha chiskuru na kweneke buna amatemu ayo anyareko bagakorubuya.
What I can say is that we have deployed all our head teachers, center managers, and we have also deployed adequate invigilators and supervisors for all the centers, and they have all been well briefed and ready to administer the exam.
Gati center cha matemu egataseni Ndizi TV kenyara kwa bakegotarera nechere ya Kisii prisons aseboigo kenyara kwa bagekomera n'abasibwa abo banyara kwa bagoisaransera amatemu ayo aseboigo batebanga bali no gosemere ngambanyara kwa bagweta amatemu ayo na maxi aigoro.
Nilisoma nikaachia class 7. Vile nilikuja jela nikaona ni vyema niendelee na shule juu nilipata shule iko bure jela nikaingia. Sasa ninajitayarisha kwa hii mtihani, tuko ready, tumeprepared. Tunaomba tu Mungu aweze kutuinua tupite vizuri.
Ya shule ya hapa gereza. Niliona ya kwamba ni vyema nikaweza kuwa kujiunga nayo kwa sababu kutoka nje sikuwa nimekamilisha, nimemaliza form 4. Niliweza kuona ya kwamba wengine walikuwa wanafanya hapa wakipita. Baada ya kupita walikuwa wanawaajiriwa wengine.
Kuripoteri gataseni Ndizi TV kurwe county ya Kisii Elitherane Josephat Hamisi.
Na ekromono ayuagendrete meye county ya Nyamira matemo yuboigo nigaba kago korwa ase chinsemo buna ya robeligwa na matemo alia anekinse ye wizara ye chisemi ase county ya Nyamira bali baba kora matemo akepse agose amatemo alia agredi sana nemoni go balenga boroki wachirivu 15 na ibere chimi ibere na babere boigo bali bakora matemo alia KCPE nigo baraboroki wachirivu emerongebere Jimmy Isano emeronge 5 na 3 abo bakora amatemo ayo aseri tukuria rero nanye chinga kichibono chiskuru cy'abanyene nigo cyaroka nekoli cy'umubaro mu bana bake abo bakora amatemo ayo aseri tukuria rero chiskuru cy'abanyene asa amatemo ya grade 5 nemo nigo barenge aboroki wachiri bubere chimibere emerongo 95 babere abo chiskuru cy'abanyene cyari cyaboroki wachiri bu 14 abo bono bakora amatemo ayo asa amatemo ya KCPE chiskuru cy'abanyene nigo cyari geti aboroki wachiri bubere chimi Isato na babere abwasa aboroki wachiri bu 13 beli geti kurwa sukuru chiria chieserikali.
Madam Florence Obunga, Deputy County Commissioner Nyamira South. Ningependa kusema kwamba tulianza mapema 5:30 tulikuwa na center managers hapa. Tuliongelesha hawa na pia tukahakikisha ya kwamba kila center manager ako na security yake ya kuman mtihani. Pia ningependa kusema ya kwamba hatujapata shida yoyote ijapokuwa ni hayo Bwana Director of Education amesema, na tunaamini ya kwamba kila kitu itaenda sawa sawa.
Thank you very much, members of the media. We have released exams for our children in Nyamira County, and the total number of students in our private schools for KAPSEA is 2,295 and 97. Public primary schools, KAPSEA, they are 14,905, giving us a total candidates for KAPSEA which is 17,202. For KCPE, we have a total of 2,302 for private schools, and we also have a total of 18,281 for our public primary schools, giving us a total of 20,583 for KCPE students and familiar cases, except for 2 candidates. We have only 2 candidates who happen to have given birth, and actually they are going to sit for the exam at our major hospital, that is level 6, Nyamira level 6.
Na gotigara boiga samangana ringeta matemwa KCP na wanali ya kepsea ni gobona chiskuru emerongetano na ibere jitakora matemwa yori tukuri alira kolengana nense melietene mangana matemu na boiga ne wizara ichisemi niho yanekirwa chiskuru emerongetano na ibere ni gochi abachigosie kwa engaki iya corona kera omuro buli mu CBC oloko chaka chiskuru echini gochi eligeti kobagati skuru chiretira chikara ni omuro buli ya OCBC yendwali ya COVID-19 gosoa asense ya Kenya yeri chiskuru aogosie kwa igochi skuru emerongetano na ibere igochi asie kwegento kera matemwabo atabaga kurusigwa kuruchinse mochiri yabo bwento kurusia amatemwabo ni igochi ngaki chibone serikali ya tebiru na matemwa yini garati kale kagachire go ikamatemonsi yairire ahira ni gwengochi asenyombeli ya matemwo se mutani house ase county ya Nairobi ni igochi ngaki chibate yabuna ensemeli raganiri ya matemo saraba makeko kolengana abana bali babete bakwelikia iga matemo yararusiwo na komenture skuru eratwara abana bange barachiko kala matemo yo a grade 6.
That we have a number of scripts for KIPSEA, that is for the grade 6 exams, that have not been picked. It is because the registration for KIPSEA exams took place when we were in grade 3, because we started doing the formative assessment from grade 3 progressively, and so their papers were prepared. But during COVID, most of these schools closed down. They were all private. I've checked at the centers, some of them have 6, some of them have 5. So what happens is that these schools closed down and learners moved to other schools. Now, what we are going to do is to make sure that the papers that have been brought are kept securely in the containers, but we are also being, flexible. We are being dynamic. If we find that there's any center that may have less papers and we need to take papers to them, we will do that. But for now, there are about 52 centers that registered from grade 3, then they closed during COVID. We are going to keep their scripts so that nothing goes wrong.
Na bono go tigana amangana matemu mtumurikrango amangana renge tobo chengo ikase county ya Nyamira enyagetali hasisi nigera chikurobo karibu abo sase gakeke merebosio ase county ya Nyamira abwase barachekolenga abantamoro aho gati yabo amangana rengeta amauga nigo chinga kicho butune wenyagetali eyo amona abanyagetali batabiruna enigera be ogosira wensemo yobo chenwa ase county ya Nyamira na kuboli abantu wesokia kolengo kosoba tomu chando wa mauga.
Angoroku Evans Asiago, then the State Department ya Nutrition, I'm the HOD. Ngokora senyegetali ya Oasis Doctors Plaza Nyamira. Egotoka sebengi ya KCP koro. Twalete programu ya singenja bantu mbara wabangi babwate shida bunere bnyoroine. Na nene mono batengonyara wikerio bo koleri buno bwiga. Wike gantu bwate estom kambo senyegetali. Na nene mono ntobwata baunenge babwato omanyi bure bwigoro mona sensemo ya mauga kero muruira achire gakorolekana bosa singenja abanyagitari abana babwato obumanyi bure igoro dinabaruire babwate shida ya mauga bali babwate shida y'echinengo nemegonge koroma abuna gwabaruire tutagete korra mono na bwesto mukambuyeta eligerereti mono na nene mono
Ubono, gotiana na yubono asiri tukulia lero ni golia roka na kubo mochengo mono gochia sawa menyi babu basi imeye kaunti ya Kisii. aya ni gagocha ekero kiri omugavana we county ya Kisii Paul Simba Arati maega yogo chorwa aimo kegetambo kero na koira na goichia asenka yaye kubatakanera ni garo mubasi elikonyara gosangana amenyi bense meyo asengane manyekanite buna welcoming ni gomo yugo yokorekana asensemo ya motonto mulikyo itobene Ndemo Steven nekira nense meyo na gotwariganira roboti rokobwatia
Nigore ngomo yegabwogo chengere myaka 40 no moyo mugavana Paul Simba Arati omoyega oreta mo abwatani be serikali ye county ya Kisii ensemo ya motonto
abantu muyabolega mwesbi muyabona woja se pati yobo sari one gavana Simba Arati omo emisio kisendro liota hiyo wana labangoma active
Aba nini go bachengero borai bwa Simba Arati abwase basaba menyi ba Kisii komo wa Simba maboko kwene kyosukirie county ya Kisii igoro.
Your Excellency, on behalf of all women who are here, tuakubwetiro kaboko kwa uokorio. Togo sabana nyesawo le moyo atanga negosio as you follow.
Ekerugeke tubwatensa igamaroje ngano muchense igwa ngana chechaba basi ba kwatete kabiara Simba igaba teneni bakwale ndiranga
kabali bana bakora makoruna korwa kiza kisuko machendege kogenda ya to vinyomo ndoto ya mwana
Omokonyi b'omugavana Dr. Robert Monda nigara ababaikira na soko babuna chimba runa maseko ekera bainyoli chinga kichinko nguchie campaign
aye wachikirwe nyangi ndi wajira bosa dai go ikoje no mondo na kiabereta pero manyete Amayia ko konse mokinkoli
Dima yeto basata muna molega mama ndiko banga mangana manga sitinga inu omora somoko asokoragira buna my customer amayete Togenda to ko sabera mokole melemia na bona ko mo sabera chinga kichonse ko re na re ko monyora sa saba sana ne kyabo tuko Nyabo kuminga kai ka peni na ro mosato na tuko okenda monyora
Mutuombe tuwe kitu kimoja, tufute pamoja kwa manufaa ya watu wetu katika kaunti hii. Ndogo sababu.
Ensemo ya Simba Arati na inakia bisiaye netindiera bakoli balia bonsi be county batabwati amasakara ikeranete.
Kazi iko. As long as kama makaratasi yenu iko sawa mtapata kazi. Lakini hata kama wewe ni rafiki yangu hata kama wewe ni ndugu yangu na uko na fake papers, we can't entertain you. We can't.
Chinga chiecho na remero beliobo korelie serikali ya yebegete asaruira yokorengana nia magenderase chinyomba chionsi isano nemo chirime ya Kisii.
Nyamira in another 1 month tutakuwa tumemalizana nayo. Tumetoa hiyo uchafu na tunafanya ile inaitwa selections.
Koripoteri ya Ndizi TV korwa sensemo ya motonto kutoka ime bunge ya Bobasi Kisii County Elietaliane Ndemo Steven
Biamono omuliki itobene Ndemo Steven asorobotiri wa senchire yoboikirano happy birthday Paul Simba Arati Umurebwense William Samuel Ruto niko bonarigani gatambukiro kya mugavana wa county ya Nairobi Johnson Sakaja asogote buneme bagane amuni chombo cye kwego kia chiba ichibono chirange na sabantu amenyete niko chirabe chigo sie kwa Chinsa chia butuko mugavana wa county ya Nairobi Johnson Sakaja nigaya kwa netaya maega yo konyoro kwe murungale kurwa saba menyi bechinyomba awe murungale no chombo cye kwego kechire chirange asebale nigo chiba chandete obotuko na nabo ni gobono muraiwense William Ruto atebire naje kumubwatsi mu governor we county ya Nairobi kone kibuna chiyomba nemebagani elirange na santo amenyete nebeke gusie kwa Chinsa chiabo tukuruto ni gaya kwa naya ekero ale koigora benekete seni kioko ruendagera kemanyikante na twiga asensemo ya Nairobi.
Foods model is truly bottom up, uniting literal mama mbogas with actors along the supply chain all the way to large corporate concerns in the quest for more incomes, greater efficiency, and increased productivity. I am pleased to note that at the heart of this visionary enterprise is the objective of establishing and maintaining an efficient retail network, which is a priority of our strategy for rapid socio-economic transformation and a focus of the Vision 2030. My young brother, Sakaja of Nairobi, that please keep the noise away from our children. You have our support. You have our support in ensuring that our city, I know I have discussed with you this before, and you have my support in ensuring that we reorganize the city, we make the city work for all the city residents, and ensure that the standards of the city of Nairobi are the standards of the capital city of Kenya.
Na gotigana roboti orugono ni gege karo kyo tegerera ogwa kwisiko kwaye omokonyi bwekembekeri kyo bochori nechimbe IBC Juliana Jelela kerabe kego tegereria oseke tegererwa lituko lyankyo aniga go chamaiga yomwegererio ya Juliana Jelela omanyekanete buna Apollo Mboya konyara gosabali bagali yabene na kugania guli bago kalituko lyankyo renyara kubwatoka masakara bene asoko nyara kwamereria ekinekyo kiaba kiego ikiwase kigambiro ayaniga go chamaga yaba commission na bande batatu kwerusia sekombekyo chinga kichobo choli bwabo weta sokote buna wacholi mbokolezi ausembokoliri asenchira yo bwasiro ne bwasioko egento kerete go ikase kigambiro abande kogania bali berusia sekombekyo kia IBC konyara wakwa isiko.
I mean, one is not placed here for purposes of, he's not accused. But we are not accusers. We are simply listening and investigating. I need him to address us from the point of investigations. I mean, really, we are merely investigating as provided for under Article 230. There is nothing like fair hearing, actually. In any case, we actually provide that time to be heard. However, it is simply investigative. How do you relink that between the Article 50 and the standing order? Our powers are limited by standing order number 234.
Also, on the question of fair hearing, immediately, and take this one to the bank, immediately you say it is quasi-judicial. Article 50 sets in automatically. And there are several court cases on that. Of course, I don't have them here, but I litigate. This is my 22nd year in practice. And in that, my short period of 22 years in practice, I have known that the people who adhere to the Constitution has got longevity, and they outlive those people who don't want to adhere to the Constitution and the rule of law.
When they were here, when we were providing our petition, they aligned themselves to a political divide that is saying that they will institute chaos as from Wednesday to stop our petitions. And in that line, Chair, we ask you to expedite these hearings so that justice is not delayed and this process is not politically hijacked. We are aware that even Council was consulting with them, and therefore we are asking you that fair hearing will be instituted at the tribunal.
Na gotigana yubone serikali nigo yaborie byombe biri bitare bya serikali kone kibuna nkubwatara nabire anasensemo yoburimi ibembe biri bikwe bwatara nsensemo yoburimi bono igo byabori wigwe Kenya anena soko nyara kuri cinchira cyo Kenya ligesa korengana n'umuwaziri oteneta somo bwebyombe amono bunchire lyobokobo ke Simon Cheluguye nigo banatebire serikali nigereta yale kone kibuna nkubwatara nabale amune byombe likone kingo kinibale ensemo gyobolimi anasa balimi konyora ligesa linene.
Last year, we were able to grow our production to about 51,000 metric tons. And from actually as low as 34,000 metric tons. Out of that, 36,000 metric tons were produced through cooperative movement and about 15,000 through the real large estates. So it's clear that the cooperative sector is playing a big role. We will invest on extension services. We will improve on partnership with the counties, improve on the farm subsidy of the inputs, and also work on distribution of this farm inputs.
We have seen that cooperatives, organization of small-scale farmers is key, but with the right inputs like fertilizers, we really can increase productivity and make sure that the small-scale farmers get more money in their pockets.
So we don't need new solutions, they're already here. We don't need miracles, we don't need new technology. We have it.
Na ebunge ye county ya Meru nigo yakolere ebikaro byabene gochaka gosangereria ebirengere kurosa amenyiwe county ya Meru anene igoro yo wako isiko ko governor we county ya Meru Kawira Mwangaza ayaniga gocha maegaye ngani kiwase bunge abwase yaganiri konyara buna Kawira Mwangaza abeka wako isiko kurosa bokorri bwaye nonye nabo nigo yarokani tukolia lero gotwara chibura buru osase bunge ye county ya Meru abwase bali bakomoko boko bale kwamerie nganeyo ase kolenda ba MCA bali baganeti Kawira Mwangaza wako isiko banyara kotwara esegi ase nsemeyo ya Meru kolengane kinekyo gye kiwabosi obweke gambero nigo Kawira tangana seke gambero na goteba bune bunge tebase ko tegerana ko kwana ngane rengetere yo ko mwaka isiko kurwase county yo ya Meru nigo chinga kichibono litoko lya mambyo mu governor we county ya Meru arachigoika bosi obwe bunge elikonyara kuhegerera igoro yengani yo mubwateranete asikona nawe birengere bigenda tukuru wase county ya Meru ugosemba chiko mwaka isiko mu governor we county yo Kawira Mwangaza.
Muntu ni lazima apewe time afanye kazi, na mama anafanya kazi vizuri, anastahili aendelee kufanya kazi.
Kuunga MCS mkono na kusema mama aende. Na ni kwa nini nasema mama aende? Tulichagua MCS ambao tulikuwa tunawajua vizuri, tukawatuma huku, lakini mama hataki kufanya kazi na wao. Pili, kuna watu ambao walipeana sisi wakuje wafanywe betting. Mama wakati alileta watu ambao hawajasoma, wakati ambao alipatiwa wachache, alikataa, akaambiwa ongezee wengine, akakataa kuongeza wengine, akasema atafanya iwe watu 6. Sisi tulifanya makosa, tukachagua gavana ambaye hawezi kufanya kazi, na kwa hivyo aende nyumbani.
Na omuwaziri bobolendi Adeni Duale litukolia reni gatwalege karona boncherere kurwa sensemeli ya isili eyo gotoka imeye county ya Nairobi kolengana na Duale ni ganyaraga kumanya boncheria obuna mbache kubwatirana bwekiranu na serikali ya Kenya kwanza eligokirani yokogani kwa boncheria asensemeyo ya isili chinga kichigati ya boncherere kurwa asensemeyo boigo niko bagania serikali kwa bwatse na kubasire karwa wekirani boncherere bwabo bwakirali tuko na boni go bali ira yogo chikubwatirana na serikali ya Ruto aso ogoikirania magendero bakorwa no munyakero bobo Amdi Abdullahi nigo ate abuna mbale no kwege namba chwekirani wa mange kurwa serikali ekra yobo gagendere tabonteria abuni go bagumugania umure wense William Samoei Ruto kone kibuna ngo sohare gati na wesonania ase kina kimubwatarenti umunyanyimba yo mokurwa sensemeyo oyubona nyaraga kumukurege tambokero aso konyara kubarasa abasalia babere bobo sangani kurwa sensemeyo ekembuko kiriagyo kurigererio bokore libwa abanyanyimbo aipoa nigo kemukege tambokero na kumurikira ekino umunyanyimbo yo abwasabwa ntweka bosubeke gambero wono kolengana bonchereria obaisili nigo bate abuno umunyanyimbo yo niga beteka ko baitabasaria egento bagandio murai wense konyara gotuguterare na wesona na gatia sekinekyo uri umunyanyimbo yo tabase ko imukari wege tambokero Kende Gyonsi.
The administration of President William Ruto, every Kenyan, regardless of your community, regardless of your tribe and religion and where you come from, you will have an equal opportunity and a conducive environment to do business. And we want the people in Isli to pay taxes. It is a national duty. It is a moral duty.
Na ebyombe aho ni gobono byachakira konyora maegelio na boigo no bosemia nchira birabe bigwekinia anene goje Chinsa mochiri chikune no murakera korengana nebyombe biboigo ni go bikurwa bokonye goje Chinsa mochiri cyabere cyukunwa nenchara ko bwatekana no gonchiririye kwelire igamenyi bali abakunire nenchara ane kurwa chi county emerongebere ni gobono basemi gubuna go ikabakora chinchira chinde cyokonyara wekine kiuchumi asogo tarigererya mangana yetu goyoka kona nebyombe nigo bikuru bosemia chinchira abali bakune no murakera anne bakurigeria mangana yetugo na kibare kinie asoko nyara kumugania obulimi bonde otatiga etugo.
Changamoto zimekuwa nyingi. Tumekuwa na wanafunzi wengine labda hawajawahi enda shuleni, kwa hivyo hata labda lugha kama Kiswahili ama hata Kiingereza hawaelewi. Kwa hivyo kuwafundisha skill inabidi mtumie mbinu mbadala.
Hii skills ambayo hao vijana wamefunzwa kama ya wiring na ya wasichana kama hiyo ya tailoring na ya catering ni ready market skill. Ni skill ambayo wewe kama uko naye unatoka hapa na unaenda kufanya kazi yako.
Counties za ufugaji, you know, mostly they are marginalized communities. Na pastoralists wana wakilia maanani sana mambo ya masomo.
Wazazi wangu walini usa mapema. Nilikuwa mwaka 16 na sasa niko na watoto 7. Hasa nikasikia huyu ujuzi manyatani iko nikakuja, lakini bwana wangu naye hakuwa akitaka niende shule kwa sababu ya ujinga ya arsafu.
Vijana kitambo tulikuwa tunang'ang'ana, mnaiba mbuzi, mnapikana, mnauana. Lakini wakati serikali ileta karibu wakatupilia mbali story na uwizi.
Na chinga kichumu governor we county ya Samburu Andrew Wafula ni gatebire bune serikali ya yokurwa senseme yuni gedigereti ya mangana matemwa ya bakago chaka rero ayara matema kepse na boigona ya KCP asanya rega ko banekeri ya borokya mona borokiwa oborendi ni go botingira senseme yo anene asamatemwa ya abakago chaka rero litukule Jumatano kolengana no mu governor we county ni gatebire no kubwatera nani go kwagendere kurwa chinsemo chonsi choborende na koboria borokyo gotasoibo abonde bwensi ekero bagendete na mwayo na bonika tebire bunani ge serikali ya bekire ndagira ogocha saboro kiwabo na igomba gochuto mbaye gochigotwara mu cyano nde wensi ekero baragenderere na matemo abo.
Kwa upande wa mitihani tuko shwari, kaunti yote kuanzia Baragoi huko north mpaka Wamba huko east Achas tumejipanga vizuri, na mnavyoona vikosi vyetu vya usalama tumewaambia walimu wetu wakuwe na nidhamu kwa huu mtihani. Serikali hii bado inashikilia tu vile tulikuwa tunafanya zamani tangu 2016, na nina imani ya kwamba na changamoto zote za hali ya njaa ambayo tuko nayo, serikali imejitolea, serikali yetu ya county na serikali ya national government, kuhakikisha watoto wetu watafanya mtihani wakiwa hawana njaa. Tumeweka mikakati ya kuhakikisha wanapata chakula kidogo kwa hii siku 3, especially hawa primary.
Na hekirabona yu hagendrete igoni gabwatani wa mabwazimio wani Kenya boigo bagendrete kumurekera amangana rengete mbusoro ya GMO bakora wano muraibu abange asebunge obiyo undanye nigo batebire bunamba gendere kumanya na seke serikali ya Kenya kwanza erigete wetabira na kwe mbusoro yo yekerero ya GMO kolengana bodu ngo batebire bunalitokolya nkyombo chigo ikase bunge erikonyara kumanya na seki Kenya kwanza erigete wetabira na mbusoro ya GMO.
Matter of GMOs and the alleged plans to import GMO maize by the government, the matter of insecurity which has become prevalent across the country, and generally the matter of the skyrocketing cost of living that has left a majority of Kenyans in the countryside unable to put food on the table. These are matters that we continue to engage on. And therefore, as a first practical step, we have resolved to convene the Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Coalition Party parliamentary group meeting tomorrow, Tuesday, the 29th of November 2022. A PG meeting which we envisage to come up with far-reaching resolutions. And therefore, for today, we shall leave it at that.
Na umurai wense William Samuel Ruto aseri tukulia bonigo baba komera na noyo kabere umurai wense Uhuru Kenyatta asomo yigo kolekana Chinsa mo cha Safari Park ime mu Nairobi komera sense me unigo ba kwanira mono igoro yamangana yomrembe ayubono yo kabere umurai wense Uhuru Kenyatta berega kubwatania asenseri ya Democratic Republic of Congo chinga kichyo ni gobono Ruto amotogi Uhuru Kenyatta asoko waleto mrembe asense yo ya DRC.
We also appreciate with gratitude the role played by His Excellency Uhuru Kenyatta as he continues to play the role as Chief Facilitator of the Nairobi process. Mr. President, I salute your credentials as you champion peace in our region, and in particular with regards to the inter-Congolese consultative framework. These shared values of the foundation of the East African community also anchor the strong bonds of connecting the nations and people of our greater community. It is self-evident fact that our region is united by a common yearning for peace, hope for unity, quest for opportunity, and desire for shared prosperity. The people of Kenya are deeply invested in the destiny of our brothers and sisters throughout this region, and as a government, it is our duty to actualize their aspirations by participating in frameworks that enhance our collective prospects of peace, security, social and
Munchumulikire bono asoroboti ruobuna oyo kabiru murai wense Uhuru Kenyatta bomerana no murai wense William Samuel Ruto anayokuwa na mangana alenge tombolembe gati yense ya